So over here, you can see that I am in Terabox slide right here. And if I were to go around onto this particular slide, you can see that I got this particular text. If I want to make it like, let's say, for example, something else by rewriting, I want to change the vibe of it, then I can simply go ahead and select it right here and then go around over here onto AI rewrite, and I can go ahead and change the tone, abbreviate it, expand or rewrite. So let's just go ahead and change this out into more friendly. So if I were to go ahead and select it out, you can see that it analyzes out the text and then it changes it out into a friendly tone. You can go ahead right here and abbreviate it right here to make it shorter as well, just like this. So you can go around over here and abbreviate it right here to make it shorter right here, just like this. You can go ahead and rewrite to change the tone of it as well, just like this. So let's just go ahead and select it, click on rewrite, and then it rewrites it out. It changes out the words right here. You can go around, change the tone into more understandable as well to make it simple as well, make it more casual and so forth. So that is how you can simply go ahead and rewrite the text using AI in slides in Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.